Okay, here we are. This is a community we need to get into, and we're waiting for an inflatable, a boat, and a jeep, so we can get in here and rescue a family, 2 adults, 2 kids. They're waiting right now on the 2nd floor of their house, and Levi and I. Levi, say hello. Levi is a certified lifeguard, and we're gonna head out there in just a few minutes before sunset. Okay, Levi and I, right now on the back of some really cool vehicles here. Hold on tight, Levi. Hold on. Levi, got it? That's our car in the water there. And we're heading to the Christmas. Okay, we're holding on. We're ready to go. We're going to the neighborhood, and we are going to rescue, going to save a nice Jewish family and get them to safety. 911 was not able to help, unfortunately. They're backed up with too many life-threatening issues. And Levi and I, who's a certified lifeguard, is representing the youth over at Chabad, and we're heading out in a few minutes. We are right now in a very Get the dog. There you go.